Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing about another topic in Power BI. As we know, Power BI is one of the best visualization tool in the current market. Everyone is looking for Power BI resources, and you must be using Power BI or maybe planning to use Power BI in your day-to-day activities. Power BI will help you to understand the data. It will help you to model, to do the data modeling, to clean the data, to transform the data, and then create wonderful reports on your data, the reports which will help your business to take better decisions, and that will help their business to grow and to eradicate any kind of issues, anything, any leakages in the sales, anywhere, whatever is happening. So these things we can easily identify with the help of reports and dashboards. So today we'll be seeing another topic in Power BI and in the normal reports, which is normally show me top 10, top 20 kind of requirements. So basically, how will you show top 10 sales, top 10 categories by sales, then top 10 or bottom 10? These kind of questions are very important KPI, key performance indicators. So that is one of the very important question which is asked in your reports. So we'll be seeing that kind of requirement here. So let's say I'll create a bar chart. So you know how to create the charts and visualizations. So you just need to click on these visualizations. Other than this, what all visualizations you have here, you can load many more visualizations from custom visualizations. Basically, get more visuals. When you click on get more visuals, you have to log into your account, and then you can download many more visualizations, out of which a few are free and few are paid ones. So as per your requirement, you can download a lot of visualizations. So here I'm just loading a normal bar chart, so stack bar chart. Here just need to use, let's say, sales. So I'll be using sales. So I got sales, and let's say I'll have state. So I got these states. So I have this chart which is showing me sales by states. I have 49 states of US here except Alaska. Okay, except Alaska, I'm having all these states here, and we have all these things. You can just update the properties here. You can just put up the label, zoom sliders, and all these things. Very important in your real-time dashboards. You have to put a lot of things here. So here, if it is millions, or you want to show it in thousands, or you can make it as auto, so which will, according to the number, it will automatically make the value as per millions or thousands or anything like that. So these are the data labels and all. Now let's say my user say that show me top 10 states only. So how will you do that? So for that, what we have to do, we have to go to our filters. If filters are not visible for this particular chart, so you can click on this particular tab here. Here you see. So these are basically three different tabs. First for filters, one for visualizations, one for fields. So if it is not visible, you need to just click on the small arrow here and you will see it here. So here we have different types of filters. Basically, filters on visual means visualization. Then we have filters on this particular page, so we can apply the filters on a particular page, or filters on all the pages. So that will be kind of report level filter. So on all the pages, a filter will be applied. So here in this case, I need to do top 10. So top 10, how can we do that? So let's say I have this sales here. Here you see, here we have sales, here we have filters. We can apply the filters here basically according to our requirement. Same thing I can do it for states also. So state or province. So these are the filters which I can do. So I can okay, let me just use California, New York, Illinois, Texas, Washington. No, I will not be selecting that way. What I have to do, I have to make sure that it automatically and dynamically shows me top 10 states. Today, these like California is having the highest state, which is having the highest sales. Now tomorrow it can be New York or Texas. So it should be automatically and dynamically updated. So for that, what do we do? We have something called top n. So what I'll do, I'll say top n. Okay, so I'll use top or bottom. The filter type is top n only, but under that you can use top or bottom. It's your choice according to your requirement. So let's say if you want to see top 10, top 20, or bottom 10, bottom 20, it's your choice. So let's say I will say top 10. I will say top 10. So that's all? No. How will you like calculate those sales? Okay, how will you make sure that those 10 states which will be coming, what are those top 10 by sales, top 10 by profit, or anything like that? For now I'm taking top 10 by sales. So what I'll do, I'll just bring this sales column and I'll drag and drop it on my by value. I can use profit also. So you know that California is having the highest sales, but this might not be the state which is having the highest profit. That profit state might be something different. So for that, we have to keep on using according this thing of columns. So values you call measures or your facts. So here I have just used sales and I'll click on apply filter. As soon as I click on apply filter, here you'll see that I got California, New York, Illinois, all these are the top 10 states by sales. Let's say I don't want to use sales, I may be looking for profit. So I will see, so here you see California is the state which is having the highest sales, but I will check for profit. Here you see California is still the state which is having the highest profit, but something changed here. Okay, so these are the things which you can check easily, and you can show top 10, top 20 kind of requirements. So here you can just put up here you see you can go to the title and you can say top 10 states. You can just mention that something by profit. So this way you can just mention this way, so it will automatically get updated every time. So whichever state gets the highest profit, top 10 automatically will populate here. So this is called top 10 by profit. So this is one thing which is quite common in our day-to-day activities whenever we create reports, and you can use this in top 10, top 20, top 30, all that as per your requirement. You can use that. So that's all from my side. Hope you might have liked this. If you have liked this and if you learned something new, please do share with your peers, with your colleagues, your friends, so that they can also learn something new. Thank you very much.